Dear friends, let us discuss on the COVID-19 situations and its issues connected with religious faith and other things. The point herein is that COVID-19 doesn't see caste, race, religion or nationality, or it has no boundaries and it has no discriminations, but the religious communities still have discriminations against one faith against another. This is our point for our consideration of our debate today. The matter is that even in the year 1525 in Geneva, the religious dissidents have been targeted for spreading this cholera diseases like that. In this pandemic COVID-19 situations, such sorts of allegations have taken place in Cambodia. The Buddhists are blaming the minority Muslims, and the Jewish community in Israel have been blaming Arabs for spreading this COVID-19 situation. Even in India, such sort of allegations have been leveled against some congregation which had been taken place in Delhi, Jamaat, and later it was proved false. It is a different story. The point herein is that during the COVID-19 pandemic situations for the last 1 year, all the temples, churches, mosques and Buddhist monasteries have been closed and forbidden from holding their regular congregations in mosques and churches and temples due to this pandemic virus situations. This is the real situation, but the humanity and the religious communities have not learnt the proper lessons as it ought to have learnt in a proper way to face this sort of epidemics, at least in the near future, so as to take our all-out efforts under the unity and brotherhood so as to address the issues of next generations of unemployment, poverty and other things, including this pandemic-like situation. The point here is that all the temples and mosques and churches have been closed during the pandemic situations, and it should have taught some lessons, because human beings, we are divided, but the pandemic situation has attacked all the religions, whether it is a minority religion or a majority religion, or a advanced country or a developing country, poor country, like that. It has no discriminations and disparities as far as this COVID-19 pandemic situations are concerned. But human beings still are in that is practicing such sorts of discrimination based on caste, race, religion and other religious or language ethnicities and places of origin like that. It should be avoided at least in the near future so as to address these issues, because the religions for the betterment of the and advancement of the society to a higher level. Whatever may be one's religion, it must be confined to family or an individual's concern. It should not be outside the society. It may be festivals and ceremonies like that, but it should not be made such an attempt to discriminate against one faith from another, at least in the interest of the human race in the years to come, so as to address the issues of unemployment, poverty and other diseases which have already been confronting the global community at a higher level. This is the message through this video. Thank you so much.